You know, the more I play Stormworks, the more stupid I get. And the reason why I say that, folks, is because today, what we're doing today is pretty stupid. So there's been a mod that I have not played with for a while. I've actually done a video on this mod a year ago, when the channel was not that I didn't know how to edit or anything like that. Yeah, that old. And we're gonna be trying it here again today with an airplane. That mod is the Flak Endurance Challenge. Want to keep up with the latest Whisper the first videos? Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and click that bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so let's just get right on into it. Let's just go right on in here. We're just going to go ahead and get this thing started. We're going to turn on everything. Great. Battery on. All this can go on. Fuel pumps on. Cuddles on. Auto start. Hydro. Boom. Cowlights. That should be everything. So, our destination's out there. Alright. That was a very abrupt takeoff, but you know, we're up, so that's good, I guess. Alright, so, we're gonna be doing this, first here today, and, yeah, we'll see you guys out there. Alright folks, so how dumb do you think this is for me to do? You know what, it's fine, Oh, I'm gonna be totally fine, folks. You never know how good. We need to be right over that base. Yep. That lasted a whole couple seconds. Alright, so that was difficulty. Alright, so if you thought that was dumb, how about if I do this? So it says, so you have chosen death. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic, folks. Oh, I love this. Okay, yeah, I can see how this is, yeah. So you have chosen death, huh? Okay. This is really stupid of me to do, folks, but you know what? It's all for YouTube. It's all fun and games, you know. Fuel pumps are APU. Alright, let's do this. Oh, this is gonna just go, like, great. Oh, and to make matters even worse, I think I damaged the plane. You know, that's fine, folks. We're up. We're up. See, fuel fine. We're fine. We're fine, folks. We're up in the air. We're doing just dandy here. So I need to go ahead and take the gear off. Also, folks, if you noticed that I had a burger on my shirt, that is the Komodo Gaming shirt that Stormworks has implemented, because I am a fan of Komodo Gaming. I'm also a fan of Beautiful OB, but Komodo Gaming is my favorite YouTuber out of 3. Though I do have to say, Beautiful OB is pretty funny. Okay, so we'll see you guys out there. So, folks, how dumb do you think this is of me to do? I keep saying that. Yeah, dumb. This is great. Okay. Yeah, Yeah, that worked flawlessly. Real quick, I just want to get, I'm just gonna go ahead and, that just blew everything up. So if I take player damage off, I want to see how many bombs are raining down. So I just teleport there. Plane's going, that's for sure. So if I just go sky high, right? If I just go all the way up, right? I have player damage off, so they're going to be shooting at me, but I can't die. I want to see how bad this actually is. Because, oh yeah, that's high enough. Oh crap. Oh, you have got it, Jimmy. I can't see a dang thing. Yo, what is happening right now? Yep, this is great. Good thing I didn't bring a plane up or anything like that. Holy man. Dude, that's crazy. That's awesome, though. I mean, look, they just let it rain, bro. I've entered the Flak firing zone. Well, that's how you guys get flecked. Alright, so I mean, just look at that. That's amazing. Here's the burger. That is awesome. That is really cool. If I had player damage on, I'd be dead in a sec. So watch. Alright. So no player damage, right? Player damage now on. Let's go sky high. I'm not gonna survive this. Boom. 2 seconds it took me to look at me. Wow. That's kind of amazing, folks, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode of Stormworks Build and Rescue. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And until next time, I guess we'll see you guys next time on Stormworks, and we'll see you guys down the tracks and trackside. Thank you. Peace out, guys.